to another amazing piece of equipment, another one of my favorites, a blender. This one is cool. It has a sound cover. So you put this on when it's running. There we go, put it on. Nice and quiet, really cool. Now, you all know blenders. The favorite thing to do is take the top off, put all the stuff in and turn it on and watch it go poof. That's the most fun. But they won't let me do that here. So anyway, how do we do this? Super blender, turn the power on. That helps. This blender has a 5-function keyboard. 1 is a smoothie, 2 is ice cream, 3 is whole juice, 4 is, and 5 is, and P for power, turning on and off. So we'll turn it on. You see the nice display lights up, so you know you're ready. Throw this on my director again. She's like, no, yeah. Throw that in there. Don't forget the top. You can see this will do 1,000 milliliters. If you go all the way to up to the top, it's 1,500 milliliters. So you can get some good stuff out of here. And we're going to go for a smoothie here. Oh, hey, let's try the sound cover too. I want to see this one. So there you are, super blender. I like this one.
Let it go, make my body go, make our bodies higher and higher.